How to change language on Facebook. Today, I'm going to show you how to change the language on Facebook, whether you're using the app or the desktop site. If you've accidentally switched to a different language or just want to use Facebook in another language, this video will show you exactly how to change it. So let's get started. First things first, open your Facebook app and make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on the three horizontal bars at the top for Android and at the bottom for iPhone. Now scroll down in menu and simply tap on settings and privacy and go to settings. From there you can simply find an option that says language and region. Simply tap on it. Now once you're on language and region, what you need to do is simply click on language for buttons, titles and other. Now simply click on language. From here you can choose various options whichever you prefer. Simply select your preferred language. Once you select it, your Facebook app will automatically switch to that language. And that's it. That's how you can simply change your language of Facebook.